Hi guys, teacher SECERETS, you know the story. So in this video I just want to update you about the 4 hours daily the 4 hours update. So we posted the 4 hours update like recently. You should check the videos. So I'll just give the names to the videos so you guys can follow each video step by step, because you can't really start with the third video without watching the first, the second, and this will be the third. I'll put them in a playlist so you guys can watch them bit by bit, and make sure you download them. They'll teach you 1 or 2 things. Just sit down there, download them, then you can go through, or you can keep watching it. So what I'll be explaining and teaching you right now is how we got here, how we passed our first target, why are we why is market going on our second target, the one that we said we're aiming for, our second target. So this was our first target. Market was here, we saw the sell, we indicated the stop where you guys needed to put the stop. So we had our sell zone in this area which we sold, and now people are still holding. Some of them are out, some of them are still holding, like myself and most of my teams. So the only reason why we so confident about this move is that let me just give you a sneak peek in daily so you guys can have a whole picture. But for you to have this sneak peek, you need to subscribe. You need to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. So I'll give you a sneak peek in daily. So this is what we have. We've got a whole roadmap. So this will be actually for this daily will be mostly made for VIP members, people that are in our VIP group. So if you've not joined our VIP group, I think now is the time, because we are going to New Year. And if you look at this is a whole roadmap for volatility 75 index. This is something that will give you the proper insight about how we trade the zones, and how we make money through the zones. This will definitely give you the knowledge that you want. This is life changing. This analysis actually changed my life. Ever since I started trading like this, things became all new to me, and I was surprised of the outcome of the results. So this is our daily, guys. The time we were focused on the sell during these areas was because we had our resistance at this level, and we had our resistance too at the higher level. That's why I say don't be so confident in risking most of your trades, because if you looking forward to get this whole move right here, then I don't think risking will be a good thing to do, or a good idea for you, because you're looking about you to earning a lot of pips. I can say pips, points, whatever you guys can call it, but I think it's one and the same, and I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. So that's what I'm saying. You guys, the risk, you should guys, working on your risk, managing your risk is one thing that will help you be a successful trader and stay long in the game and get as many things. I think learning risk is actually the financial way to freedom. So it's something that will actually make you understand trading at a bigger picture, better perspective. So this is actually meant from the people that are looking forward to move from the incurred land, which is being an employee, and just going to self-employed. This is one thing, people can start businesses with this system. People can get money, you can trade, make money, start a business, keep yourself growing like that. So there are people looking forward to go in the I quadrant, which is good, investors quadrant. So let me not talk about all that, but I'll come and say about all that in the next video. If it will happen, that I'll be sharing it with the public, because we're looking forward now to be giving daily updates to the VIP group. So if you haven't joined the free group, please contact each member of the digital SECERETS. There's Ernest, there's Victor, there's Steven. So you just have to look around. There's a guy called Mr. Vic, which is me. there's Ernest, there's Digital HFX, there's Victor. So if you guys can get in contact with these people, then we can actually work on something and just see what we can do, make money. So I'll leave all the links in the description. But this is our dairy. Let me just fast forward to the topic that I'm trying to say right now. So this is our dairy, our next support zone. We have it right here, and we have our major support zone. So this is our major support zone, this is our support zone, this was our support zone in 4 hours. This is the line that you're seeing, guys, from the daily. So now this was our support zone, and it doesn't quite look like a support zone, but if you can look clearly right here, it was a support zone. This was the support zone we have. Now, since our support zone is being broken, support will automatically change to resistance, because now this zone will become a resistance zone. So I'll just take out the support. So that's how it is. Once resistance is broken, it becomes support, and once support is broken, it becomes resistance. So you see, we are getting to have just a second, we are having, if you look closely here with okay, let me just start on the bottom of the candles, guys. Don't forget, always draw your resistance from the bottom of the candles, your support from the bottom, and then say from the body of the candles. You know, always make sure you do the right thing. Don't forget, you know, you watch this videos daily so they can help you on your growth. So this is actually what I'm talking about. This is how we draw in it. This is how we do it. Don't forget Digital HFX. You know the story, guys. It's all about making money, profits and profits and profits. So you know, it's about hard work, consistency, patience. That's what pays off. So this is actually what we're looking at right now. This is where we are. We've got a resistance level which just like which just popped up. You know, I think this was like yesterday we were having the resistance, because you know, it's not easy breaking support, it's not easy breaking resistance. So once this one of this is broken, you surely have to get a retest. So it depends with whether the retest will be after the drop or after the rise. So it's just about you being patient and waiting for the right time to do those trades, to place those trades. So I'll go back to the daily, guys. So this is our daily. So we're saying we've got our support right here, we've got our major support. So make sure you trade step by step. I won't trade, you won't hold the whole thing. You know, you have to be patient, know what you're doing, capitalize your risk, and just, you know, be a patient trader. Don't rush anything. This is just 2021. You know, 2021 has been a whole crazy year for a lot of people, and including me, myself, yeah, and my team. It's been a crazy year, but we actually working on something better, something that we're sharing with you guys publicly, and it's something that's giving us a motive to make sure we do more videos like this. You know, we're getting motive from you guys, and we are being inspired by you guys for the support, for us doing all this. This is actually, we're sharing this on a major platform, which is YouTube, and we've got our free Telegram group. So I'll just leave the link in bio, so you can you can join the free Telegram group. It's totally free, no one gets paid from there. It's totally free group. You just join, you place on the link, it will take you straight to Telegram, then you can just join. So we've got let me just go back to the charts. So we've got you see this top right here, this is our resistance zone. So we label it like that. You know, you do it with patience, you do it neatly, you do it so smart. You know, you don't rush anything. So this is our next resistance. You label it as resistance. You draw the line like that. Don't rush anything. You again, you look, make sure when you're drawing your resistance, make sure the resistance drawing of this rectangle should be just should touch the body of the candles and straight to the twigs. So don't rush anything. Make sure you don't get over confidence if you don't know what's happening to the market. You can't just come into the market and start trading. You can't just wake up and start trading. These are the things that you have to study, sit down and just plan. If you miss this move, it's fine. You should be planning on how the market is going to get to the support, and whether you be looking in to buy or you'll be looking for market to break the support so you can continue the sell, or will the market bounce back on the support and go bullish or go bullish, or will it continue bearish? So these are the one things that we get to discuss in the VIP groups. We get people like we get to discuss this, and we're still busy with the Zoom sessions for those VIP paid up members. Next year it'll be booming, because I think we've got like a day before we go to next year. So 2021, I think, guys, I'm looking forward in seeing you again in the next year, 2022, so we can just discuss more about the analysis and how we look things this side, because digital FX will make sure we work to empower and do whatever we can possible for you guys to gain the knowledge that you guys need. We're looking forward to being your mentors, so you guys can be with us as we teach you, as we elevate together, move together, so we can make this money, because it's so a lot of money. So this is digital FX volatility on 5 index daily update, as you can see. So we're now looking forward for market to go on the support. This is the support that we're waiting on. As you can see, the way my support is being drawn, the line is always the rectangle line. It's always on the body of the candle until to the last tweak. So you should be like that. You have, this is how you draw your support zones, resistance zones, because if you see, if you look at this point, the resistance came from the level of just the body of the candles, and it went straight. And if you can see straight, we didn't get any break at this level, any break, and market dropped here. So we had a possibility of a huge drop at these zones, as you can see, which is actually perfect and really an amazing thing to be in the market at one of these times, because it's Christmas, it's New Year, and we're all having these calculated pips, and they're so profitable, and everybody's happy. Even people that are not in the VIP group are still coming, showing us love, saying they made so much money, they did so much good. So this is just how it is, guys. One step at a time. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. You don't want to miss a thing, because this is free. We're posting it on a free platform, which is YouTube. Free, guys. So you don't have to fear. Just subscribe to that. Subscribe to our channel. Make sure you don't miss a thing. So like I'm saying right now, this is what's happening to the market. So we have to make sure you identify all the resistance. Like even here where market is, I expect to have market to be slow in the zones. That's why we're having a very, if you can see, we've got something like a little bit of market being slow at this level. It's because of how the rise of the candles, how the candles looked when they were bullish. The candles were so 1, 2, 3. How many days was this? This is daily. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 4 days just in this zone. In this zone we had like 4 days. So you can tell 4 days, and then we had a proper rise. That's why the drop has been massive. We had a proper rise because, and the drop has been massive because we don't have much resistance, or we don't have much resistance in the zones. So market, we don't have even the supports. As you can see, we didn't have much resistance on the top, we didn't have much support on the bottom. So market is actually this is like the road run of the market. This is where market can move from point A to point B without having to consolidate, where the impulse is just super amazing. So this is what we're looking at. So we're looking for market to be slow in this zone. Like I spoke to the first video, I said market will somehow be slow in this type of zones. So market will be slow in this type of zones, and then when it's slow, what do? If you on the top, you keep holding, but make sure make sure you keep moving your protective stop. once you keep moving your protective stop, that's one thing that's gonna make you benefit. You know, even in the long run, you actually benefit in these trades because you are given the patience and the discipline, and you're following the rules of the market. Market has got its own rules. You don't apply your own rules to the market. You let the rules of the market be applied by you. You know, you have to learn the rules of the market, and now you have to apply the discipline, the patience, you know, the consistency, the hard working, the knowing on what to do when you're doing your analysis, you know, because these are the secrets to trading. These are the secrets to VIX75. These are the secrets in making money and doing so much with the trades. So like I'm saying, this is just a sneak peek of the daily analysis and daily update, because if I can give you the sneak peek on weekly, you'll be surely amazed, but I'll save that one for VIP members only. So guys, if you wanna like have a sneak peek of the analysis and what we're talking about, please make sure you join our VIP group. Our signals are currently on special, and to find out, just contact one of the members of the Digital HFX and they'll actually tell you the prices and everything. So as you can see, we are having a very nice fall. We are not having headaches, but the main reason I don't delete the lines is that mostly I really like them to look super good. I love my work to look like super neat. Okay, I'll leave that one for there. So I love my work to look super neat, so I'll just put this at the top because I want to zoom out and I don't want to get my screen scrambled with the letters, because it really does. So I'll just do this. I'll put this on the top, then I'll zoom out. Yeah, perfect. So now scramble again. Okay, just give it a second. Let me just fix this. Let me fix this. Oh my god, let me fix this real quick. I'll just delete them because I don't actually need them for now. Yeah, so like I was saying, yeah, perfect. Let me just delete everything. So like I was saying, we've got a support zone at this area, and we do have another support zone just down below. So that's why I said in daily, I said in this area we had about 5 candles in this area here. This whole area here, we had about 5 daily candles. So that's why we're having this that's why we're having this problem, you know. Okay, yeah, I don't know if you guys can see from your side, but let me just try and brighten it up. I'll pick the color that will be more bright. No, not this one. What color? Let me try this one. I think it's working for you. It's working for me. Should work for you too. So that's why we're saying, if we take all this all the way from here, just give it a second. So in this zone right here, the color is heading my eyes. Let me just change and put a more darker one. Yeah, perfect. So in these zones we'll actually get we can once we are in these zones, we'll expect something like, you know, market will be very slow. We'll just have like the same picture, which is right here. We might have it same to this point, and we know we've got our support just at this level excuse, which I'll just indicate as target 2. So now what matters is not the target. What matters is how you will secure the entry for a sell if you're not in the market. So these are the things that will help you understand and know that these are the things that will guide you and let you know where the entry of our next trades are going to be. That's why you have to join our VIP group, so you can really fully understand on how you place the entries, you know. But in this video, I'll show you where the market is going, where we think this is our target. So in our case, we've got all these areas that I'm drawing right now. These are the areas of I would say targets, but these are our support areas. This is where we expect the market to be in the near future, in the coming future, next year 2022. So these are the zones that we're looking at which are powerful, but we after we get to target 2, we'll actually know what's really happening to the market. But like I said, market will actually be slow in these zones. So if you in the market and you feel the need of if you're in the market and you feel the need of rejoining and exiting the market, you should actually wait for market to give you more confirmation. Because right now, all I can say, if you think you actually behind with the market, I think waiting for the pullback at these zones is something that will actually you actually benefit from. And if the pullback doesn't come, you actually let the market continue the drop without rejoining, because once you join, you lose the money. You don't have, your risk won't be calculated. But once it comes at this zone, we know this was our zone of support, which has now become a resistance. So we now know if market goes up there, we actually wait and figure out on what's happening to the market. So if market can do this, it means the previous point that we have will be our support. So we actually have, we definitely have to wait for the break. But despite all that, all I'm saying is we have to wait for the market to give us confirmation before doing anything, because we're doing this for a long time and we're making money for a long time. I'm so happy. These guys, my students, my team, they're holding the market until from ever since the sell, ever since the signal was sent, and they keep holding the market until that point. And now they're at this point, we are massive in profits, and that makes me happy. Me and my team and the guys that participated, the ones that are in the VIP group, I say salute to each and everyone, guys. I'm wishing you guys a safe crossover, because we'll be heading to 2022, which is New Year. So I'm wishing you guys a successful New Year. See you in the New Year, guys, and we hope to do more videos like this, videos that will help you learn this type of skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. See you in our next video. Peace out.